Check this out, guys. I had to take a sawzall and cut this hood hinge off. This car is so rusty that they welded a plate around all the way down here, around this brace or this hood hinge. This is actually the hood hinge right here. It only goes to right here. And I pried the plate up and got the bolts out, but then they had welded. They stitched it all the way down through here too. Made a mess. And this is that 64 Dodge 880 car I bought from down at the coast, at the junkyard at the coast. I mean, it's literally falling apart just sitting here. It's so rusty. It's a big block car. It's got some desirable parts on it. It's got power brakes and tilt steering column, factory air car. It's pretty cool. Push button. Neat stuff on this car, so it's worth saving. But it sure ain't worth restoring. Okay, this is the two bolts right here that I pulled from the hood hinge. These two here were laying on the fender well, and I'm thinking they probably came from the hood hinge on the other side, which I did sell, and the customer pulled in himself. But he told me that this one was jacked up, and I went over and looked at it. Sure enough, it was. But I didn't realize it was jacked up that bad. But I warned the guy before we came out there. I said, the car's pretty rusty. You may not be able to get some of this stuff off. But I mean, the bolts are literally just rotting away on this car. Everything with this car is down by the coast, in the ocean, in the salt air. And it is ate the hell up. But we're saving what we can, folks. Not a whole lot of demand for these parts for these cars, but there's a little bit.